Hi, I'm Michael, Project Manager at Macquarie Tower. Since our last update, we've had major progress on site and we're well into the finishing stages. Within the main tower, we are currently cleaning level 8 to level 13, with level 14 and 15 having the final fixtures and fittings installed. Along with the internal finishes, the external is coming along nicely. The external footpaths and balustrades are well underway, as well as the landscaping. No doubt you would have seen the landscape around Macquarie Tower change with the removal of the 78-metre tower crane with no less than 70 truck movements and a 450-tonne mobile crane. Excitingly, the rooftop has also been completed with the landscaping done and the pavers going down in the next week or so, but the views are amazing. GWH are incredibly proud of the highest development in Lake Macquarie and the units and the homes that we've produced for the many families in Lake Macquarie and the business opportunities. And we look forward to and we're excited to see the growth of Lake Macquarie.